So, I've been thinking, when did you get into that habit? So, are Canon and Sony cameras any good? Not if you use them as paperweights. I mean, why are Nikon cameras always taken to space? Why not Sony or Canon? Because NASA doesn't audition cameras, they certify them. And Nikon has been flight certified since 1971. 1971? That's before my parents were born. The first widely documented Nikon body in space was the Nikon F Photomic FTN, while the world was shooting film on manual focus. But why do they keep going back to Nikon specifically? Lens mount continuity. NASA has decades of Nikkor glass. Millions of dollars in lenses built around one mount. When a new camera body arrives, the lenses already work. You don't throw the eyes just because you upgraded the brain. So it's not about the camera, it's about the whole system. Now you're thinking the Nikon F mount is the only mount that NASA has consistently built its system upon. Every camera from the F to the D5 to the Z9, same optical lineage with adapters bridging generations. Wait, they took the Nikon D5 on Artemis II to photograph the moon. That camera is 10 years old. Exactly. Space doesn't care about megapixels. The D5's high ISO performance is still exceptional. More importantly, it's been tested, certified and trusted. In zero gravity, you don't experiment. And the Nikon Z9? Also on board, no mechanical shutter, purely electronic, zero moving parts to jam, freeze or fail in the vacuum of space. Smart. What about Canon? Did they forget to apply? Canon was never in the running. They built a separate ecosystem. Different glass, different mount, different legacy. And what about Sony? Wasn't the Sony Alpha 1 Mark II taken aboard the Artemis II? That story broke on the 1st of April from a Sony fan site. Draw your own conclusion. Sony make exceptional sensors. JAXA, the Japanese space agency, used Sony hardware on the ISS. But for NASA's crewed mission, Nikon built that trust over 50 years. So it's not that Sony and Canon are bad. They are excellent cameras for Earth. NASA buys flight certified reliability, not brands. So, one more doubt. No. If NASA trusts Nikon in zero gravity, can I tell my clients that my camera is NASA certified?